Hey guys, what's up? Morgan again, Max here. We're going to be doing some knife sharpening with the Smith electric knife sharpener. Not sure the precise name right now, but it works very good. Right here is just a buck knife, buck knife. This is a fishing version. It's rated top edge, standard flat bottom. And we're just going to be sharpening it, maybe hopefully a little sharper. So what you want to do is you're going to turn it on, you can hear it, and you're just going to go from down here and pull out. Normally I do is about 10 times on each side, but I'm just not counting. And you're going to move to the other side, just wipe it off first. The knife will be relatively sharper, but what I always do after is, what the heck, you want to feel around for any coarse edges, and if you find any, you're just going to file them down a bit, like, and I don't know if you can see, but the knife is a wee bit sharper. Nothing much, but we can go a little more. If you want it very sharp, you want to go back and forth. And you want this part right here, or whichever side, to be touching right here, the opposite end of where the sharpener stone is. We're going to do a little tip sharpening right here. We're just going to flick the tip a bit. Ready? And then finally, what I do is just spray a little bit of ballast oil on the knife. And then you just give it a nice wipe off. Get the cloth here. And the knife is nicely cleaned. Minus some old fish cuts I got on there. And by the way, if any of you want to know, this is the Buck 221 model. Very good, high quality, standard buck. Definitely recommended for fishing, outdoors, I guess. I wouldn't say too much cutting because the blade is not very... See if you can see this. The blade is not the best, but it's good. Alright, see you later guys. Till next time.